Hey guys, today we're cooking outside. So get a drink of water, set up a playlist, and let's go. We're going to be doing whole fish today, so the first thing we're going to do is take some trout and score it on either sides. We're going to prep this for grilling, so we're going to rub salt on both sides and in the body cavity. We're going to do the same thing with pepper. Next, we'll fill it with some aromatics. Today I'm going to be using rosemary, thyme, and a little bit of sage. So you're going to want to cram those in there. We'll also be using 2 slices of lemon each, as well as a small amount of capers. Once you got those stuffed, they're going to be ready to grill. So we'll prep that next. You're going to make sure your grill is clean and oiled. And then we're going to oil our fish on both sides as well to prevent sticking. If your grill is hot, you're ready to go. So we're going to get these 2 trouts right in the center where the hot spot is and leave them there. Don't touch them too much or else they're going to peel. The key to fish is just to let it do its thing. Next, we're going to grab some eyeball-sized tomatoes with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. And we're going to blister these, so we're going to put these in the same hot spot as the fish. I'm going to do 2 grapefruits as well. These we're going to put into our medium heat area just to bring a lot of those juices out. And then 1 red onion. We're just going to cut this in half and peel it. We don't want this to char. We just want it to cook. So we're going to put this on the coldest spot of our grill. That's going to be a major part of our salad. Once you get that laid out nice and neat, you're going to want to walk away for 10 minutes. When you come back, the first thing you're going to do is take your tomatoes off. Set those in a bowl on the side to cool. And we're going to remove our grapefruit. Flip our fish. Should be nice and crispy on one side, looking nice. And we're going to start making our salad dressing. So for this, I'm going to take a blender bottle of protein shakes with the blender in it. We're going to put 2 sprigs of rosemary, a pinch of salt, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 shot of white balsamic vinegar, and then the juice of 1 of our grilled grapefruits. This blender bottle is really going to make the vinaigrette come together nice and easy. Far easier than whisking it. You just got to give it some bartender shake. There we go. We're going to be doing 10 minutes on the other side. But while that's going, we're going to take our fish and move it to our cold spot. Alright, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a lemon from inside of the body, and I'm going to take our other grilled grapefruit and squeeze the juice on it, and we'll end up covering it for the rest of the time it goes. Once that 10 minutes is up, you're going to remove your onion, and we're going to make our salad. So we're going to cut these into strips, pop that in our bowl. Once that's done, we're going to take our grilled tomatoes. I'm going to get those in there as well. They should be cool to the touch now. These onions were still a little hot when I was cutting them. We're going to have our tomatoes and get them in the bowl. Once they're all in there, you're going to want to add some arugala. You could use spinach if you'd like, but I prefer arugala. To that, we add a little bit of our vinaigrette, and we're just going to toss that. We'll add feta on top later. Once that's nice and tossed, you're going to want to remove your fish. You gotta be real careful not to break it because it's going to be super flaky at this point. There we go. Now for plating, we're going to take a scoop of our salad. Make sure you get all the goodies on top. A little bit of that feta cheese on there. And 1 whole fish. I'll put another fresh lemon and a sprig of thyme as well, just to lighten it up. And that's looking good. This was a real easy recipe for the summer. It's great for the family, and it's real tasty. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy cooking it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.